If you're watching this video right now, you've probably looked around at the economy. You looked at your bills, you looked at your job, and you said, okay, I need a new stream of income like yesterday. And honestly, I don't blame you. We are living in a time where inflation is cutting up like it's on stage at amateur night. Companies are laying people off like they're allergic to employees. And the price of groceries is giving all of us trust issues. Am I talking to you? If I am, then please stick with me until the end as I help you figure all of this out. And we're going to do this together. When people keep talking about AI and how regular everyday folks are making real money online with AI, it's normal to wonder if it's actually real or if it's just another internet fairy tale that's going to waste your time. And I understand that. But I'm here to tell you something straight up. AI is not the future. AI is the right now. And if you don't learn how to use it, you are going to get left behind by people who aren't even half as creative, talented, or smart or hardworking as you are. But they figured out how to let AI do the heavy lifting for them. So today I'm going to show you exactly how beginners, and I mean complete beginners, are using AI to create income streams without needing to learn coding. They don't even need to become a tech genius or buy fancy equipment either. We're keeping it simple, clear, and doable. But again, I need you to stay to the end because I am going to walk you through the mindset, the money flow, and the exact starting point that nobody is explaining correctly. But I'm going to do it today. Let's get right into it. First, let's clear up this myth floating around the internet like a bad smell. AI is going to replace humans. No, that will never happen anytime soon. But AI is going to replace people who refuse to use it. There's a difference. People who embrace AI are not only working faster, they're earning faster. And the people who keep saying, I'll learn it later, are going to be saying, why didn't somebody tell me about this? Well, I'm telling you right now, so you're going to take action after this video. So how do beginners make money with AI? Let me start with the biggest secret. AI is not the business. AI is the assistant. That's where people get it wrong. AI does not magically hand you a paycheck. What AI does is remove the barriers that used to stop people from ever making money online in the first place. And when those barriers go away, you get speed, creativity, freedom, and opportunity all at the same time. AI helps you do what used to take 10 hours in 10 minutes. It helps you write the content, organize your ideas, research faster, create images, make videos, design products, and automate work that used to feel so exhausting. And when something gets easier, you do it more consistently, right? And consistency means that you make money. Not perfection, but consistency. Let me give you a real example. A beginner can now use AI to create an entire digital product in one weekend, like I did, and sometimes in less than a day, like I also did on another occasion. Something that used to take people weeks. You can take one idea, feed it into an AI tool, and boom, it helps you design, format, write, clean it up, and package everything. Suddenly you've got something to sell, something real and tangible, something that you own. And before you think, oh, but Cheryl, everybody's selling digital products, let me stop you right there. Yeah, everybody is not selling good digital products, and everybody is not selling finished digital products, and everyone is not selling digital products that solve a specific problem. AI levels the playing field for you and I. Another example is faceless videos. We live in the era of faceless creators who are making money without ever turning on a camera. A beginner can take one topic, type it into an AI video tool, and the tool will script it, voice it, edit it, and produce a full video. That content can go on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels, and guess what? You start building an audience. You start getting views. You start earning income. If you are ever interested in that kind of income stream, I would recommend InVideo.io. That's the software that I use for my Faces channel, and it works. I will leave a link for you to sign up to in video in the description below. Now let me tell you what I love the most. Beginners don't have to start as experts anymore. You just have to start. That's the bottom line. AI fills in the gaps while you continue to grow. It helps you sound more polished than you feel. It helps you explain things when you don't have the perfect words. It helps you build confidence because you see what your ideas look like when they're fully fleshed out using AI. Now, let me tell you a quick story. A subscriber emailed me and said that she'd been wanting to start a YouTube channel for 2 years. She thought about it, and she didn't like her voice because she had an accent like I do. Yeah, right? She didn't know how to edit, and she kept saying, well, I'm not technical. She found all kinds of excuses. So I encouraged her to use AI, and she made her first faceless video and uploaded it. And guess what? That video got 6,000 views in 48 hours. She wasn't even monetized yet, but she used the views to add affiliate links and made her first $68 online. And now, does the $68 change your life forever? No, but does it change your mindset? Of course, and your confidence, because once you make your first dollar online, you realize that the internet is a real place and that feeling is addictive, and you're more confident. All right? Now, let me connect the dots for you. Every income journey starts with one small success. AI makes that success come faster. But before I go into how to start today part, let me drop something real quick, because if this video is helping you so far, please give it a like and share it with someone who needs to hear it. And if you're ready to go a little deeper, and I mean finally understanding how to build reliable online income with confidence, then you're going to love the Ultimate Creator Income Workshop bundle that I created just for you. It is the shortcut that you need to walk you through real strategies that actually work today. Not last year, not 5 years ago, but today. The link is in the description below. And don't forget that you can also grab my free ebook titled 7 Juicy Ways to Make Money Outside of the AdSense Program on YouTube. Grab them both and you'll thank me later. Now, let's talk about where beginners should start, because this is where most people get overwhelmed and quit before they even try. You don't need to learn every AI tool. You don't need to buy expensive software. You don't need to become an expert overnight. You only need one of 3 starting points. Start with something that feels doable. That's where the momentum begins. You could easily start with AI videos. They work on every single platform. They don't require you to show your face, and the opportunities are endless. Or you could start with AI digital products. Take something that you already know: health, beauty, parenting, productivity, travel, food, anything, and let AI help you turn it into a real product that people are searching for. Or start with AI services. This is for people who want faster money. You can use AI to create social media content, edit short form videos, write emails, or design graphics for small businesses. You are basically using AI as your assistant in all of these examples that I gave, and you're getting paid for results. See how simple that is? Not easy, but simple. And let me say this because someone needs to hear it. The people making money with AI right now are not the smartest ones. They are not the most experienced either. They are the most willing to try. They're willing to experiment. They're willing to go the extra mile. They're willing to learn a tool today instead of waiting 6 months when there is more competition. The beginners who are going to win in 2026 are the ones who said, you know what? Let me try this. That's it. And once you start, you're going to build your skill level faster than you think. AI will shorten your ideas. It will challenge you. It will push you to create more. And the more you create, the more opportunities will open up. So as we wrap up, I want you to picture where you could be 90 days from now if you started today. 1 video uploaded, 1 product launched, 1 service offered, 1 piece of content shared. You're not far away from the income that you want. You're just 1 decision away from starting. And that is what's going to make the difference. And before you go, please remember to pick up the Ultimate Creator Income Workshop bundle. and the free ebook that I mentioned. Do not go one another day without these. They are the tools that will help you stop overthinking and finally take action. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the last video in this mini series titled Make Money with Affiliate Marketing as a Beginner. That one is coming next, and trust me, you need it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care now.